So in this lesson I'm going to show you how we can quickly install Prometheus on a Linux server. So we need to go to prometheus.io/download and then just scroll down, look for Prometheus, then look for the operating system which you want to install Prometheus on. So in this case we want to install it on Linux. So I'm just going to select this software. I'm going to right click, select copy link address, then I'm going to move on to the server on which we want to install Prometheus. So in this case I want to install Prometheus on the same server where I have installed Grafana, but in your production environment you may want to install Prometheus on a separate environment. So that's completely fine. That is how you should do it. And in this case I'm just going to write wget. I'm going to paste the path which I just copied. I'm going to hit enter and then it is going to download the software. Now once the software is downloaded, if we do ls-lrt, you can see that software is currently compressed, so we need to uncompress it. For that you can do tar zxvf and just write the complete path of the software which we downloaded. And now we can clear the screen first, then do ls-lrt, and you can see there is a folder which has been created which is called Prometheus. Now let's move inside this directory and let's do ls-lrt. Now you can see there is a couple of utility. One utility is called Prometheus. This is the one which we are going to use to start or stop Prometheus, and then there is Prometheus tool which is used to do some syntax checking of rules. And then we have a configuration file which is called prometheus.yml. This is a default configuration file, and inside this there is some YML configuration written. We don't need to worry about that for now. We just need to know that this is a configuration file, and currently all of these are kept under this location. Okay, so if I do pwd, which is present working directory, it is telling me currently I'm at this location. Now we want to start, stop or check the status of Prometheus service using systemctl commands. So in order to do that we have to do a couple of more steps. So what we need to do is we need to create a file which is going to be called prometheus.service file, and inside that file we need to write this piece of code, okay, or basically this piece of instructions. You don't need to worry about all of this what is written here in this instruction. All you need to know is that there are three sections in this. First section is called unit, which is just giving the information about what this software is all about. The second section is called service, where we are telling that this software should be running with root user, and if it fails then it should get restarted. And in the execution start we need to tell where our Prometheus software is. So for example, in this case our Prometheus software is at this location, so I'm going to copy it, I'm going to paste it here, and then I'm going to write slash and the name of our software which is Prometheus. So I'm just going to paste it here, and then we are saying --config.file, and we need to tell where is our configuration file. So our configuration file is again located here, which is called prometheus.yml. so this is a directory which I'm going to paste here. Then we need to write slash and we need to write name of the configuration file. So just make sure this location is, this is the full path of the configuration file, and then this is the full path of Prometheus software file. Okay, and that's all we need to do. I'm just going to copy it and paste it in this file. Okay, so just gonna copy this and we are going to run it here. So we need to say sudo vi. I'm gonna create this file prometheus.service, and remember this is being created under /etc/systemd/system. So that's why we need to use sudo, because only root user is going to have access to this. Now hit enter and you are going to see this is there are some instructions already written here because I just installed it previously. Now I'm going to delete everything whatever is available here, and we are going to write everything from fresh. So whatever I selected here, whatever I have written here, I'm going to select it, going to paste it here, going to save it, and now we are good to reload this configuration. So we are going to use sudo systemctl daemon reload, and then this is going to just make everything aware that there is some configuration file which has been changed. And now we can do sudo systemctl status prometheus, and then it is going to tell us that currently Prometheus is not running. And then I'm just going to start Prometheus again. So we are going to say sudo systemctl, we are going to write start Prometheus, and then we can check the status again. So right now you can see it is saying Prometheus is active and it is running, and by default Prometheus listens on port 9090. So for example, in this case, I'm just going to go to this server IP address because it is the same server on which we had installed Grafana and Prometheus. So I'm just going to give this IP address and then we are going to say 9090, hit enter, and it should be able to open Prometheus. You can see that Prometheus user interface is trying to load, and this is how Prometheus looks like. Now we are not going to go into much detail of Prometheus because this course is all about Grafana, but this is how you install Prometheus and this is how Prometheus user interface looks like. Now in next lesson we are going to learn how to install Node Exporter, and then Prometheus is going to basically read all the data from that Node Exporter. So see you again in the next lesson.